China's technological rise has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few decades, the nation has transformed itself from a manufacturing powerhouse into a global leader in cutting-edge technology. Once known as the world's factory, China is rapidly becoming a global leader in innovation. The shift from labor-intensive industries to high-tech sectors has been both swift and strategic. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, China is at the forefront of technological advancement. The country is investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This transformation is not a coincidence. It is the result of a well-coordinated effort involving government policies, private sector initiatives, and academic contributions. It is the result of deliberate planning, strategic investment, and a culture that values hard work and ingenuity. The Chinese government has played a pivotal role by implementing policies that encourage innovation and technological development. China's journey to technological leadership offers valuable lessons for the world. The nation's ability to adapt and innovate has set a new benchmark for other countries to follow. Understanding the factors driving this ascent is crucial for nations, businesses, and individuals navigating an increasingly tech-driven world. The global community can learn much from China's approach to fostering innovation. This essay will explore the key drivers of China's technological rise, highlighting its strengths, challenges, and implications for the future. By examining the strategies that have propelled China to the forefront of global technology, we can gain insights into the future of innovation and economic development. Central to China's technological rise is its unwavering focus on STEM education. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are deeply embedded in the Chinese education system. From a young age, students are encouraged to excel in these fields. This emphasis on STEM has created a vast talent pool that fuels China's technological innovation. Millions of Chinese students graduate each year with STEM degrees, outpacing many developed nations. This focus on technical education provides a strong foundation for China's tech industry. The government continues to invest heavily in education, recognizing that a highly skilled workforce is essential for sustained technological leadership. The Chinese government plays a proactive role in fostering technological innovation. Through strategic initiatives and policies, the government actively supports the development of key industries. The Made in China 2025 plan, for example, outlines a roadmap for China to become a global leader in advanced manufacturing, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Government support extends beyond policy initiatives. Financial incentives, subsidies, and tax breaks are provided to companies engaged in research and development. This collaborative approach between the government and the private sector has created a dynamic ecosystem that encourages innovation and rapid technological advancement. China has emerged as a global leader in artificial intelligence, challenging the dominance of Silicon Valley. With its vast datasets, strong technical talent, and supportive government policies, China possesses a unique advantage in AI development. Chinese tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are investing heavily in AI research and applications. From facial recognition technology to autonomous vehicles, China is at the forefront of AI innovation. The government's ambition to build a smart society fueled by AI has created a fertile ground for experimentation and real-world deployment of AI solutions. Section 5. Connecting the Future. 5G and Beyond. China is a global leader in 5G technology, with its companies holding the majority of essential patents. This dominance is not just a matter of national pride, but a strategic move to position itself at the forefront of global technological advancements. The rapid rollout of 5G networks across the country is transforming how people live, work, and interact. From bustling urban centers to remote rural areas, the impact of 5G is being felt everywhere. It's enabling faster communication, seamless streaming, and real-time data sharing, which are crucial for modern life. This connectivity is essential for the growth of other technology sectors, including the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. Imagine a world where your refrigerator can order groceries, cars drive themselves, and cities manage resources efficiently, all interconnected through a robust 5G network. China's leadership in 5G is not just about faster internet speeds, it's about creating a comprehensive ecosystem that supports innovation and technological growth. This ecosystem is fostering new business models, enhancing productivity, and driving economic growth. It represents a strategic advantage in shaping the future of telecommunications and the digital economy. By investing heavily in 5G, China is setting the stage for advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics, which will redefine industries and create new opportunities. The country's investment in 5G infrastructure is laying the foundation for a more connected and technologically advanced society. This infrastructure is not just about connectivity, it's about building a future where technology enhances every aspect of life, from healthcare to education to entertainment and beyond. Section 6. Powering Progress, Renewable Energy. In today's rapidly evolving world, the shift towards renewable energy is not just a trend but a necessity. China is a world leader in renewable energy, investing heavily in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. With vast landscapes and diverse climates, China has harnessed its natural resources to build an impressive array of renewable energy projects. Driven by environmental concerns and a desire for energy independence, China is transitioning away from fossil fuels at an unprecedented pace. The country's commitment to reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change is evident in its ambitious renewable energy targets and policies. This shift towards clean energy is not only beneficial for the environment but also creates new industries and jobs. The renewable energy sector has become a significant source of employment, providing opportunities for millions of people across the country. China's dominance in the manufacturing of solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy technologies has solidified its position as a global leader. The country's advanced manufacturing capabilities and innovative approaches have set new standards in the industry. And electric vehicle batteries has positioned it as a key player in the global transition to a sustainable energy future. The development and production of electric vehicle batteries are crucial for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, which are essential for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. As the world moves towards cleaner energy sources, China's technological advancements in this field give it a competitive edge. The country's investment in research and development has led to breakthroughs in renewable energy technologies, making them more efficient and cost-effective. With its continued focus on innovation and sustainability, China is poised to lead the global transition to a greener, more sustainable future. Section 7. The Engine of Progress, R&D Investment. China's technological advancements are fueled by its massive investments in research and development. The country's R&D spending has grown exponentially over the past 2 decades and is now second only to the United States. This commitment to innovation is evident in the increasing number of patents filed by Chinese companies and universities. China's government has set ambitious targets for R&D spending as a percentage of GDP, aiming to become a global innovation leader. This investment in research is translating into tangible technological breakthroughs across various sectors, from aerospace to biotechnology. Section 8. The Cultural Catalyst. Beyond government policies and investments, cultural factors play a significant role in China's technological success. The country has a long history of valuing education, hard work, and a collective spirit. This cultural foundation fosters a competitive environment where individuals are driven to succeed and contribute to national progress. The Chinese concept of guanxi, which emphasizes personal connections and networks, also plays a role in fostering collaboration and innovation. This culture of interconnectedness facilitates the sharing of ideas and resources, accelerating the pace of technological development. Section 9. A New World Order in Technology. China's rise as a technological superpower is reshaping the global landscape. The country's advancements in AI, telecommunications, renewable energy, and other sectors are challenging the traditional dominance of Western nations. This shift in technological power has profound implications for the global economy, geopolitics, and the future of innovation. As China continues to invest in R&D, cultivate its talent pool, and implement supportive policies, its influence on the technological world will only grow stronger. The world is entering a new era defined by multipolar innovation, where China plays a leading role in shaping the future of technology.